Good evening, students. Now I'm going to tell you about whether a number is even or odd. Again, a conditional programming. Here we will use if statement. Let's see the coding and the interface. This is the interface. Enter a number. In front of this there is a text box and this is a command button. Again, enter a number. It is a label. It is a text box. Let's see, it's a text box. Look at the property. I'll click over here. It's a label. I will click over here. It's a command button. So I'll double click over here. This is the command. Let's see. Look, dim a as an integer. A, the value of text will be a if a mod 2. What is this a mod 2? If the number is divided by 2 and the remainder is 0, then the message box will display the number is even. And if it's not 0, the message box will display it is odd. If we have started if program, then we have to close it with and if. Let's run the program, please. Let's see. 3, check, the number is odd. Okay. 32, check, the number is even. Okay. 325, check, the number is odd. Check, the number is even. So my dear students, this is the interface and this is the coding. It's an easy program. Try it, practice a lot and do your best. My dear students, we are always there to help you out. If you find any kind of problem, you can contact me. Do your best. All the best for the practicals. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.